Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So if you watched my video last week, you saw I made 4 lovely Christmas signs for my decor. And if you've been keeping up with my shorts, you'll notice I've actually made another one. I picked up a cute little house sign from Primark for 50p and turned it into a stay cozy sign, complete with jingle bells. So I hope you've seen that short. I was very pleased with it. So I'm taking a little break from Christmas today, although I am starting to decorate the house and that will be coming soon. But I'm in the dollhouse today, so I'm having a lovely time doing the final room of my renovation, this year's renovation, and it's the kitchen. Now the kitchen, I'm just showing you some pictures of what it looked like when I first did it. I've only done the kitchen once. And I kind of, as I've said before, wasn't very happy with the size. It was a small room, but I just didn't feel like it was kind of like the kitchen that I really wanted. I liked it. It was cute. I'm very happy with my coffee station. I was quite pleased with the fridge that I made, but I just felt like it was just too small and pokey. So I'm having a remodel in the kitchen, and the kitchen's now in a much larger room. So that means that I've got much more scope to make kind of a really nice kitchen. So here is the living room. Now it's been emptied out of all the furniture. And as with all renovations, you have to make a mess before you can make it better. So I'm going to rip off the wallpaper, rip up the floor, and get cracking with the new decoration. So I've got these fantastic self-adhesive vinyl tiles for £1. You can't really get much cheaper than that. So I'm going to put those down as my new floor. I think they look really lovely, and it does look like a kitchen floor. I actually only used 3 of those tiles, so I had one left that I actually just stuck in my real kitchen because I had a little gap under a cupboard, so I've just popped it down there. So it's been useful. Then I had a little look through my creative papers and found this beautiful floral pattern that I thought looks really modern and makes a nice feature wall. And then I just got some grey plain paper and did the 2 side walls. I had a bit of that moulding left that I used in the bathroom, and I thought, well, I might as well use that up as well and make some really nice big skirting boards. So I decided to paint it white. Then I put some sticky, double-sided sticky tape on the back, and then just stuck it round on all the walls. And I think it just makes a really nice statement, and it's just nice and clean. And looks really nice. So that's the kind of like the main groundwork done, and then I can sort of start with the furnishings. So I've just put in my original fridge and coffee station, so I think I'm going to keep those, although I might change my mind on the fridge. I've had an idea to have an island in the kitchen, and these little boxes, actually, I had some little glass bamboo jars for my kitchen. They came in those boxes, so I think I'm going to lash them together, have an island. I've put the coffee station under the stairs, and I think that might work because it's kind of an awkward area there, and the coffee station fits quite nicely. And then this, I think, needs a bit of an overhaul. Obviously, I'm going to have to stick the shelves backing because they've fell out, and I might change the wood look as well because I'm not sure if the wood look works, so I might change it for another backing, or I might keep it wood. I'm not sure yet. It definitely needs a little overhaul. So I've lashed my island together, and then I'm going to use as the sink the top of a Tic Tac box, and so I'm just going to draw around it and cut out the hole for the sink. Just like you would in a real kitchen. It makes me feel like I'm doing proper DIY. Then I have a tile that I actually originally had when I first made the dollhouse. I bought a pack of tiles, and I think I used this in the bathroom. I think it was the floor in the original bathroom. So I'm going to use that as my marble top work surface. And if there's enough left over, I might use it when I do my back cabinets as well. So I'm just going to use a craft knife to cut a hole. So I make a little template with paper and then cut a hole out in the tile and then stick it down, stick the sink in, and it all sort of seamlessly works together. So that's the island in place now. I'm going to put it in the centre of the kitchen. I think that's really cool. And I think it needs some stools. So I've got these little chairs, little stools that I had around the dining area, but I think they need to be a little bit taller. So I've just got some more lolly sticks to replace the legs, cut them a little bit longer, and then just really simple, just stick them in and you've got yourself some cool stools. Because I use pom-poms in them, I can actually change the colour of the stools as well, so I might do that as well. But for now, I'm just going to put the 3 stools there so people can sit at the island and enjoy the beautiful new kitchen. So now I've got the island made. I've just dressed the island a little bit. I don't know whether I'll keep it like this. I just thought just a bit of fun. So I've got a chopping board and I've got a pot with flowers in, and then I've got some coffee, a quiche, some dandelion and burdock, and then a mug and some cereal. So I'm just going to dress it. I've put a sink there. I've just used a lid, top of a lid, and then my foil, although I actually think the foil looks a bit scrunchy, so I might change that. In fact, there you go, I have changed it to a pipe cleaner, which I think looks a lot smoother for the tap. Just giving you a view. I've just turned it round so you can see, and actually even showing that the island could go on the side. So there's renovation opportunities here with this island, which I really like to have. So I need to put a window covering on because I did take all the curtains. I had a mishmash of curtains before and I'm trying to streamline. So I'm going to put another blind as it's the kitchen. And instead of using, this is an offcut that I had from my blind in the office, my real office. Instead of using the grey check side, I think I'll use the other side, which is white. So I'm just rolled it with a pencil and secured it with some double-sided sticky tape. And then in the end, I stuck another one of those blue beads to match with the pegboard, and then just got some stretchy elastic and put another little bead on the end. And it's so simple, but it just looks really cool. I have put a piece of wood on the bottom on the back as well, just to make it stay dropped like a blind has to have a bit of weight on the bottom. So here we are having a little look at the tabletop again, and just in sort of enjoying the kitchen as it is, and my mind's ticking about what I'm going to do next. I've got my bowl of cereal there, which I didn't have before, so I've added the actual cereal. I'll keep adding, and as I say, the food won't always be out. It will go on the shelf as well, but I think it's nice, to have the island. And so there's the unit. At the moment, it's just got the jars on, but I will add other things, as I say, as I make them and as my mind is made up. There's the fridge for now, and the coffee station in the corner. I'm keeping the lamp as well, I think. I don't know whether to change it or paint it a different colour. But these the little finishing touches are the things that will come with time. So hopefully in part 2 of this video, I will show you the units, but also the other bits. So here's the pegs on the wall, the other side of the front door. They match up with the bead in the lamp. There's the front door. So you'll come in and then you can hang your umbrella on there, which I think is really cute. Might even hang a little coat or a hat. But also I can put wreath on there, or a bit of decor. There's a little handbag. So there we go. That's now useful place, but also just added another place where I can display things. So that's all the little finishing touches that I've done for now, or have just changed the stools. I thought I might try and make them grey. I don't know. Again, I can just change the colour of the pom-poms. I did think maybe pink to go with the flowers in the wallpaper. Let me know what you think. about the chair colour, because I say that's something easy that I can do. And also let me know what you think of the kitchen so far. What do you think I'm missing? Obviously, I'm going to make a cooker and cupboards, so that's coming along that back wall. I've got to put some artwork on the walls as well. But is there anything else you think I might need in my kitchen? Please do let me know. So, as always, thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed looking at what I've managed to do in my dollhouse kitchen so far. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Please like the video and drop me a comment if you can. I really do love to hear from people. So until next week, take care. Bye bye.